Hello from Edge Educational Academy. So we have completed 2 marks questions from real numbers, sets and polynomials. So today we are going to discuss about important questions, important 2 mark questions from pair of linear equations, right? So before getting into this, this is very small chapter. Most of the time 2 marks questions are in the form of bits. We can expect questions from here. So you should understand these conditions: A1, A2, B1, A1 by A2 and B1 by B2 are not equal. Then the lines are intersecting lines. This is how it looks. And number of solution. How many solution? Only one. Unique solution it will have. Okay. Now next, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. The lines are parallel. This is how it looks. And if the lines are not intersecting, not meeting at any point, that means no solution to it. If A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, then the lines are coincident. And coincident in the sense one line is on top of the other line. Both lines represent the same one, right? So how many? Infinitely many solutions. So majorly we have to understand what is A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. So that is what we have to understand. So in this case, if two lines are there, two lines, general representation is A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0, A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. These are the two lines. For example, general notation, if I take 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0 and 5x minus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. So these are the two lines. From the first line, coefficient of x is nothing but A1. Coefficient of A1 is 2, B1 is 3, C1 is minus 7, A2 is 5, B2 is minus 6, C2 is 4. That's how we have to compare two lines and find the values of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. After we have the values of A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2, we have to check either ratio of A1 by A2, B1 by B2. If they are not equal, then the lines are intersecting and solution is unique solution. Now in the question, this condition we have to remember. This condition, for this condition, this is the condition: graphical representation will be intersecting and unique solution. He'll tell us unique solution. Unique solution in the sense you just have to click this in mind, like condition A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. If it is no solution, in the question he'll mention no solution. That means what is the condition? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal. What type of lines? Parallel lines. If A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, what type of lines? Coincident line. What about the solutions? Infinitely many solutions. So like this, first of all you should know this basically and what type of lines are and how many solution will have. Unique solution, either it will have one solution or it will have no solution or it will have infinitely many solutions. 3 possibilities are there. So this is how it is. Now we have to do certain questions. Check whether the given lines are, this question. So basically in this exercise you must have noticed that only first question is there wherein 2 marks questions are there, but some questions in do this and try this are there. Those questions are there in textbook but not included in the exercise problems. So majority of the people skip those questions, but we shouldn't do that because those questions are very important. And for essay 1, as we do not have many chapters, so we can expect 1-2 marks question from here. So first example 1 question I am taking. This is, we have to represent graphically, but we are not going for graphical representation. Normal we are doing first one. So first question it is, check whether the given pair of line is intersecting or parallel. We have to check intersecting, parallel or coincident. What are the lines? 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0, 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. These are the two lines. We have to check what type of lines these are. Are these intersecting or parallel or coincident, right? We have to compare these two lines while writing the answer. Comparing both the lines with A1x, B1y, C1, A2x, B2y, C2, like that. After comparing we get the values of A1. Directly I am writing A1. What is the value of A1? 2. A1 is 2. B1 is 1. If nothing is there, to the coefficient of y, as I already told, if no number is there, 1 will be there. If no sign is there, plus is there, right? So B1 is 1, C1 is minus 5, A2 3, B2 minus 2, C2 minus 4. You do not have to write like this directly. As I told you, we comparing equation with the a1x b1 by c1, a2x b2 by c2 comma we get बोल के. After that you have to write this a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 values. Now let us check ratio a1 by a2. First of all, let us find a1 by a2. What is a1 by a2? How much is a1? 2 by a2 is 3, a2 by 3. Okay. Let this be b1 by b2. b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by minus 2. Minus won't be there in the denominator. You have to shift this minus to the numerator. Remember, minus will not be there in the denominator. It will become minus 1 by 2. So shall we go for c1 by c2? No, because a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 is not equal. So not required to check the third one. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, what type of lines those are? Intersecting. a1 by a2, therefore a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Lines are intersecting. If the lines are intersecting, solutions, what about solution? It will have a unique solution. That is not asked, but you have to remember that also. Next, similar type of question, one more we'll do. This is actually part of 4 marks question. We have to prove it till here. Now continuation from here, we have to prove that graphically. We have to draw the graphs and prove that the lines are intersecting for 4 marks. While solving 4 marks question, we'll do that as of now. Let this be. Next question. 3x plus 4y is equal to 2. 6x plus 8y is equal to 4. Right. In this also, what do we do? First of all, let us get that 2. Let us get that 2 to the left hand side. It will become minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 4 is equal to 0. Right? We are getting minus 2 and plus 2 we bought here and it became minus 2. Same for minus 4. Now a1, value of a1 is 3, b1 4, c1 minus 2, a2 6, b2 8, c2 minus 4. Right, let us find the ratio. a1 by a2 is equal to, a1 is 3 by 6, 3 by 6, 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, b1 by b2. What is b1? 4 by 8, 4 1s are 4 2s are 1 by 2 again. If these two are equal, we have to check for the third also. If these two are not equal, need not to check c1 and c2. c1 by c2 is equal to minus 2 by minus 4, minus 2 by minus 4, minus minus cancel, 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 by 2. Coincident line. Therefore, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Lines are coincident. If the lines are coincident, many solution, infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solutions. So this is how questions will be asked for 2 marks. One unknown frequency will be added over here. Let us try to solve those kind of question. So in the first slide, you will have you have those values, right? Have that written in a place. Based on those chart, you can find the solution for all the problems here. Check whether the system of solution are consistent. Also verify graphically. This is a graphical method. Similar question. Let us skip that. Next, here in page number 87, try this question. These 4 questions are very important. First one. For what value of p the following pair of linear equation has unique solution? We did not discuss about unique solution and unique solution. We did know, yeah, we did unique solution. Right. So what are the 2 equations? 2x plus py is equal to minus 5. Second equation, 3x plus 3y is equal to minus 6. For what values of p it will have a unique solution? For what values of p it will have a unique solution? He mentioned, he gave us one hint. Either he'll tell that the lines are parallel or intersecting or coincident, or he'll tell that it will have unique solution or infinitely many solution or no solution. Based on that, we have to use a condition. If we say that the lines are parallel, what is the condition that we use? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. If he say that the lines are coincident, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. If he say, for example, the lines are intersecting, what is the condition that we use? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Like that we have to use the condition. In this question he said that has unique solution. Unique solution in the sense, what is the condition that we have to use? Unique solution is not equal to B1 by B2. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. First of all, let us write the values of A1, B1, C1. We have to slightly modify it. It will become 2x plus Py plus 5 is equal to 0. Minus 5 about it here. It will become plus 5. The same way, 3x plus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. From here, yeah, correct. A1 is equal to 2. B1, P. B1 is P. Apart from y, whatsoever is there, that is P. B1 is P. C1 is 5. A2, 3. B2, 3. C2, 6. So he gave us lines have unique solution. Given that lines have unique solution. Given that lines have unique solution. Unique solution is, what is the condition? Intersecting. What is the condition? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. A1 by 2 is not equal to B1 by B2. What is A1? 2 by 3 is not equal to, remember it is not equal to, we are finding for what values of P, right? B1 is P by 3. P by 3. Two fractions are there and equal to sign is there, so we can cancel the denominators directly from here only. So P is not equal to 2. P is not equal to 2. What is the meaning of this is, except 2, if we put 2, then it will not have, lines will have unique solution. Apart from 2, we can take all the other values. Apart from 2, all you have to do, see, do not, what is for what value of 2, for what value of 3, for what value of P, you will have unique solution, infinitely many solutions, or no solution. That is how the question will ask. So all you have to do is be dependent on this condition. What is the condition? Unique solution. Unique solution in the sense lines are intersecting. Either he'll say lines are intersecting or he'll say unique solution. So you have to use that condition. If equal to sign is there, we'll find the value of P. If it is not equal to, then we'll say at that particular value it is not equal. That's all you have to find. If it is equal, then put it equal. If it is not equal, then write it P is not equal to 2. That's all you have to utilize and write the answer. Next step. Another similar question. Find the value of K. Here in the second question, we have to find the value of K for which the pair of linear equation. What are the equations? 2x minus ky plus 3 is equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 5 is equal to 0 have represent parallel lines. Okay, let us find the values of A1, B1. After is equal to, there are no numbers, it is already sorted, we need not to rearrange it. Let us compare and write the values of A1, B1, C1. A1 is 2, B1 minus K, B1 is minus K, C1 is 3 plus 3, yes, A2 4, B2 6, C2 minus 5, right? Given that lines are parallel. If the lines are parallel, what is the condition? A1 by A2 is equal to C1 by C2. This is the condition, right? So we have to find the value of K. K is still B1. So we need not to go for C. By A1, A2 and B1, B2 till here. Using these two values only, we can find the value of K. C1 and C2. C1 and C2 is 3 and minus 5 and is not equal to sign is there. He is not asking for what value it won't be equal. He is asking we have to find the value of K. That's why I am taking A1, A2, B1, B2. Simply you substitute it over here. What is A1? 2. A2? 4. 2 by 4 is equal to B1 minus K by 6. After solving this, I can get the value of K, right? So that's why I am not taking C1. Not bothering about C1, right? 2, 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 and 6 can also be cancelled. if two fractions are there and equal to sign is there in between, numerator, denominator are capable of, if they are capable of cancelling, you have to do it then and there itself. So 2, 1 is 2, 2, 3s are 6. Here I have 1 by 1 is equal to minus k by 3, cross multiply. 3 1 is 3, 1 into minus k, minus if I transfer, actually we have to multiply both sides by minus, this will become minus 3, minus of minus k, it is plus k. So therefore k is equal to minus 3, or simply remember we are transferring minus to this side. K is equal to minus 3. Clear? C1 by C2 is not required. C1 by C2, that is not equal to, and C1 by C2, two numbers are there. By solving first and second bit only, we are getting the value of k. Need not to go for the third one. There you have to stop. Next, third question. For what value of k the pair of linear equation has represent coincident line? In the third question he said that they represent a coincident line. If the lines are coincident, what is the condition? Yes. Let us write the two lines. 3x plus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0. Second equation, 9x plus 12y plus k is equal to 0. Now, what is a1? 3, b1 4, c1 2, a2 9, b2 12, c2 k. Right? What is the condition that he gave? Lines are coincident. Lines are coincident. If the lines are coincident, what is the condition? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. These three values are equal. Right. From this, we have to take now a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Amongst these three, we have to for sure take c1 by c2 because k is at c1. In this question, unknown value k was at b1. That's why we have to confirm take b1, and c1 is not equal to, that's why we did not bother for c1. We took a1 a2 and b1 b2. c1 we did not took here. Now here all of the three values are equal. a1 a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, and unknown value is at c. So c we have to take for sure. C we have to take. Along with c we can take either b1 b2 or a1 a2. It's up to us. Any value we can take. So 4 12 is cancelable. a1 and c1 will take a1 by a2. Let us directly substitute the values only. What is a1? 3 by 9 is equal to c1 2 by k. You understood why are we not taking b1 by b2? You can take either b1 by b2 also, you will get the same answer, not a problem here. Right. 3 1 is 3, 3 3s are 9. Cross multiply k into 1, k is equal to 3 2s 6. 3 2s are 6. Either if you take b1 by b2, let us check. If you are getting confused, b1 by b2, what is b1? 4 by b2 12. 4 by 12 is equal to 2 by k. 4 1 is 4, 4 3s are 12. K into 1, k is equal to 3 2s are 6. If you take either of that, you will get the same value. Clear? Last question from this set of questions. This question, unknown value, unknown frequency, k, p, these questions are very important. For 2 marks, these kind of questions will only be asked. Next, fourth question. Px plus 3y minus of p minus 3. P minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the first equation. 12x plus py minus p is equal to 0. What is the condition he said? Infinite solutions. Infinite solutions he told. Right. Infinite he told, right? Yeah. Infinite solution. Coincident. Graphical representation, coincident. First of all, we'll extract. It is quite tricky to extract the values of a1, b1, c1. Look at here carefully. What is 7? No, just you put it minus of p minus 3 with a bracket, or you multiply minus inside and take minus p plus 3. For this one you are wondering, right? So you can either multiply minus inside and take the value. These two values constitute c. Whatsoever is there with the coefficient of x is a, coefficient of y is b. Apart from these two, whatever you have, 3 4 terms, how many terms are there? Those many values are c. So do not get confused. You will take only p or 3. You will get confused over here. C is nothing but A is nothing but x का coefficient, B is nothing but y का coefficient. Apart from these two, whatsoever is there, all of that is C. Right? A1. What is A1? P. B1, 3. C1, you can write it minus of P minus 3, or minus you multiply inside minus P plus 3. Minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus. Like that. You can take in both ways, right? A2, 12. B2, P. C2, minus P. Right? What is the condition he gave? Lines are lines have infinite solutions. Lines have infinite solution. I already told you, either of that box, either of this box. We wrote that box in the starting of the video, right? So that box, based on that box, you have to remember the conditions. Either he'll say graphical representation or algebraically. You have to identify the condition. Infinite many solution. Infinite solution. What is the condition? A1 by A2. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. From this, we can take any of the values. Right? I'll substitute here. Then later we can decide. A1 by A2, P by 12, and 3 by P will take. These two values we can take it clearly, because C involves two values. That's why I'm not going for C. A and B. I'm sticking to A and B, and we are trying to find the values of P. What is A1? A2, 12 is equal to B1, 3 by P. After solving this, we'll get the value of P. So for C, I'm not going. Either if you want, you can do A, C, B, C, and C, B. You can take any of, because all of that are equal, right? You can take any of the values. I'm not bothering about C because there are two values. I'm sticking to A1 and A2. If I cross multiply P into P, P square or 2P? P square. If it is P plus P, then you will have 2P. Understand this. If it is X plus X, you will have 2X. X into X, you will have X square. If you are getting into, multiply jab kar rahe to power will be increased. If you are adding, this coefficient will be increased. X plus X plus X, 3X. X into X into X, X cube. Okay, don't get confused over here. Now here also, P into P, P square. I'm glad that nobody told 2P again. P square. 12 3s, 36. 12 3s are 36. If I send the square over there, it will become root. P square, P is equal to root 36. Root 36, but what is it, Yusuf? Plus or minus. If I send a square over there, it will become plus or minus. Yesterday only, in the yesterday's class, I already told, whenever we send a square over there, root will become, but along with that, plus or minus will come. Either the value will be plus or it will be minus. What is the value of root 36? 6. Root 36 is 1 by 2. Root 36, 36 का square है ना? 36. Root 36 मतलब root 36 can be written as root 6 square. 36 को 6 square लिख सकते. Square root gets cancelled. You will have only 6. Root 36 6. Root 25 5. Root 16 like that. P is equal to plus or minus 6. The value of P is plus or minus 6. Two values we got. Either it is plus 6 or it can be minus 6. It is not compulsory that we will get only one value. We can get 2, 3, 4, how many it is. Huh? कुछ भी ले सकते इसमें.